In this tutorial, we are going to demystify a concept in Python known as duck typing. If you've heard the phrase "if it looks like a duck, swims like a duck, and quacks like a duck, then it probably is a duck," then you already have an idea of what duck typing is about. In Python, we are more concerned about what an object does, rather than what it is. Let's dive in. Here we have a simple class called duck with a method quack, which when called, will print out quack, quack, to the console. Now, we have another class called person. This class also has a quack method, but it prints out a different message. This function, make_it_quack, takes an object and calls its quack method. Note that we don't care what type of object it is, as long as it has a quack method. Here, we create instances of both duck and person. When we pass the duck instance to the make_it_quack function, it calls the quack method on the duck instance, and we get the output quack, quack. Similarly, when we pass the person instance to the make_it_quack function, it calls the quack method on the person instance, and we get the output "I'm quacking like a duck." As you can see, Python doesn't care about the actual type of the object. As long as it behaves like a duck, in this case, as long as it has a quack method, it's treated as a duck. This is the beauty of duck typing in Python. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. I hope you now have a good understanding of duck typing in Python. Keep practicing and happy coding.